Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Someone in the crowd said to Jesus, "Teacher, tell my brother to share the inheritance with me." He replied to him, "Friend, who appointed me as your judge and arbitrator?" Then he said to the crowd, "Take care to guard against all greed. For though one may be rich, one's life does not consist of possessions." Then he told them a parable. There was a rich man whose land produced a bountiful harvest. He asked himself, "What shall I do? For I do not have space to store my harvest." And he said, "This is what I shall do. I shall tear down my barns and build larger ones. There I shall store all my grains and other goods. And I shall say to myself, now as for you, you have so many good things stored up for many years. Rest, eat, drink, be merry." But God said to him, "You fool, this night your life will be demanded of you, and the things you have prepared, to whom will they belong? Thus it will be for the one who stores up treasure for himself, but is not rich in what matters to God." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
There was this someone who approached Jesus and asked him, "Lord, please help me. Tell my brother to share his inheritance with me." It was a mistake on his part, as Jesus saw his heart. Jesus saw that there was greed in his heart. And Jesus said to him, "Who am I? I'm not an arbitrator." And so he told him and the crowd this parable of the rich man who made several mistakes as well. The first mistake of the rich man is that he thought he will live forever on this earth. He forgot life is short. And so, as he was trying to enrich himself, that night, his life was taken away from him. Huwag sana tayo magkamaling sa pag-iisip na mabuhay tayo ng matagal dito sa mundong ito. Panandalian lang ang ating buhay sa mundong ito. Sa isang iglap, pwede tayong mawala. Kaya, huwag tayong mamuhay at umasal na para bagang may parating bukas na dadating. Kapag nakasakit ng kapwa, pagpatawad na. Kapag may mga hindi magandang relasyon, no? Please, no? Try to mend them now while there is still time. Let us not make the same mistake with the rich man. Second mistake of the rich man, he thought all that he possessed is for him alone. And so, when you read the gospel, it was mostly in the first person pronoun, I, myself. And he did not even mention how he would get the harvest. More likely, he had many workers under him, but he only thought of himself. When we are blessed by the Lord, let us not mistake that it is only for us. Ang mga blessing na binibigay ng Panginoong Diyos ay para maging blessing din tayo sa isa't isa. Kung tayo ay pinagpala ng Panginoong Diyos, nawa ay maging mapagbigay din tayo sa ating kapwa. Ang ating kamay na sarado, hindi makapagbibigay at hindi rin makakatanggap ng mas maraming biyaya mula sa Panginoong Diyos. Kung kaya, manatili nawa itong bukas para makapagbigay at makatanggap ng bagong biyaya mula sa Panginoong Diyos. At panghuling pagkakamali ng mayaman sa ating kwento, the rich man forgot about the Lord. He was rich in this life with possessions and wealth, but it was not rich with the Lord. In our first reading, it was mentioned that St. Paul praising Abraham as the father of faith. Why? Because he trusted more in God. And because he trusted that the prophecy of the Lord to him would be fulfilled, he was greatly blessed. Nawa ang ating seguridad sa buhay, hindi nakasalalay sa kung ano man ang meron tayo, on our possession, on our power. Rather, may our security in life rely on the Lord. May it rely on the love of God for us. Alam ko na hindi ako papabayaan ng Panginoong Diyos. Makatulog ako na maayos. Alam ko, maganda ang relasyon ko sa Panginoong Diyos. Hindi niya ako pababayaan. Wealth, power are only temporary. They can be gone in an instant. But the Lord will always be there for us. May our security lie on Him alone.